at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from India. This is Maggi Masala Cuppa. For sale in India, Nepal, and Bhutan, in select markets. It must have something to do with the labeling. Generally, that seems like that's how it works. Here's the lid. It says, close the lid, hold 4 minutes. So, that's what I'm gonna do. Here it is. When it showed up, it was nice and crumbly. But that's okay, because that's kind of the way this stuff, I believe, is really supposed to be enjoyed. Almost rice-like. There we go. I don't know. You'll have to wait. Be patient now. Be patient. The television is not doing as expected. Anyways. Okay, so let's do our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle way back in 1958. My nose is driving me nuts. I got allergies, so if I sound funny, I apologize. Number 259. People tend to shy away from fat, but all foods contain fat, even rice and soybeans. Aren't they forgetting that fat is what gives food its flavor? Yeah, I understand the concept and it seems like if you eat fat, you will get fat. That's not really the case. If you eat carbs, you will get fat. If you take all your carbs away, or at least most of them, and you just do ultra low carbs, Christ, I think I lost like, one time when I was doing the Atkins diet, I lost like 70 pounds like that. But then there's like all these people like, well, this doesn't work so well, and well, this isn't so safe, and well, it's like from what I've heard from things I've read and people that have been like diagnosed as like pre-diabetic, they just like take all their carbs away and put you on the Atkins diet basically, but like extreme. So like you're getting maybe like, God, I want to say like 6 to 12 carbs a day or something like that. And you know, I got a buddy, I really don't know what he is. I almost want to say, I think he's like a Secret Service agent for the British, or he used to be, or he used to be like a thug, or he's a doctor. But he's mentioned people that are diabetic before. I really don't know what he does, but maybe he'd be a good guy to have on the show. What do you think? I know you're watching, dude. I know you're watching. You're probably laughing your ass off right now, but it's like, he doesn't know what I do. But yeah. Yeah. It said fill the line, and I did fill it to what I think was the line. We'll see. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. But usually Maggi doesn't end up being very brothy. It's more like saucy. So we'll see how it goes. But it's Cuppa. So let me look at the picture again. The Cuppa, yeah, they never show any broth with this stuff. Ever. Yeah, look. No broth. Fluffy noodle. Part hunger can strike any time, especially on the go. When you need a quick, delicious bite, fret not. Just grab a pack of flavorsome Masala Cuppa noodles and satiate your taste buds. Okay. That's what I'm attempting to do. But it looks like it's going to be kind of soupy. Hopefully not too soupy. I had a plate for this one. All picked out. Oh my God, my eyes are all jacked up today. That thing doesn't help. You know what I'm talking about? That thing? That's... Can you tell how bright that is? It's really bright, but it actually... People stopped complaining. Oh, you need more lights. You need more lights. You can't see. Yeah. All right, giving it a stir. It's all foamy, fuzzy. Let's see what happens when I try this broth. Maggi broth. Boiling hot Maggi broth, I must say. It's all right. Ooh. I would have definitely liked less water in this. But that certainly looks like the line to me. Maybe that's ideal, like a cup of tea. You can sip on it. Like nature's cuppa, that kind of thing, you know, cuppa. Go enjoy a cuppa. I don't think this is gonna be safe. We'll try. No, there's too much liquid there. Dang it. What do I do? I'm gonna just say go for it. Let me try these noodles really quick, and I'm gonna just go for it. Noodles have some stuff going on. They're a little chewy. More so than expected. So what we'll try is we'll take some of the broth and put it in here. And then I'm gonna take this. You know, it might just fit. Wish me luck. I think that's as much as I dare go. Okay. Yeah, hopefully when transporting this over to places for photography's sake, that it just doesn't go crazy. So I'm gonna add a little coriander to make it more beautimous. I've got some chicken that I baked. And do I want to use? Yeah, I want to use it. I think it'll look nice in here. And I'm gonna let it run. I've got an egg. I have like a mega runny yolk egg, I'm pretty sure. Not that mega. Yeah, you're telling me, Mimi. Now I started it. Yeah, you got me. I made a funny noise. You got me.
Yeah, I got you.
Ladies and gentlemen, my daughter. There's some pepper flake. And maybe I'll do some black sesame seed on this one. It might look interesting. All right. Alrighty, right. Too much. Here we go. Well, cool. That came out better than I expected. The next one you're going to see tomorrow is going to be this Baija. This is from China. China. This is from China. This is Baija Chengdu style sweet noodle. Yeah. So, we'll give that a try. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Hey, subscribe or else. Have a good one. Bye.